you doing?
Sure,
Like,
that's
are you
the night that
taping
you guys never
me,
went to sleep,
Ray? Put that camera away.
That's the night that you guys never
Ray,
went to sleep,
put that
right?
camera away.
Alright.
Ray.
Stay down, it's fine. He ain't taping none.
Don't tape me, Megan. I'm dead ass. Watch. Fuck yourself. Fuck you when you get back to New York. What's gonna happen?
Do you guys go to the same school?
No, we're like the borderline of the separating town.
You and
Megan, shut that shit off. I'm dead ass. Watch what happens to you when you're in New York.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Nah, watch what I do to her when she's fucking.
Hi.
Why don't you do it right now?
Cause I can't get up off this fucking bed. I'm going to that room. What's that room number? 7189.
Oh,
I
it's
remember
not
that.
7189.
I'm going right now.
Okay, go.
Alright,
You're
Megan,
gonna feel stupid.
Megan, go with me and then take a piss first. Come on, you're gonna feel stupid.
You're not going.
No,
I'm-
stupid.
Okay, I'm fucking going. I don't care what you guys say. What do you think?
You're gonna feel stupid when you open that door.
Lay back down.
You're
No,
gonna
I
wake
don't
up.
wanna fucking
You're gonna wake
lay
up an old
back
couple
down.
and they're gonna
Megan,
take
can you
your
go
ass.
there with me, please? Please, I'm dead ass. Just you close your eyes. Just please come with me.
Are you serious?
Yeah, come on. We always fucking take pisses together. Come on. I'm so serious. I can't go in there by myself.
You're not going.
I'm a dirty New Yorker.
New Yorker.